I mean, you learn a lot when you field reset a lot. All right, Red Alliance is ready, Blue Alliance is ready, refs are ready, and we'll get started with match number 23 in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, looks like Rolling Bots was able to park underneath the Skystone Bridge. Carbon Units is going to grab their foundation. I believe it is in the build site. I believe so. And they're going to try to park in the far zone. Using their nice mechanism wheels, they can strafe across the field very easily. Meanwhile, it looks like T.N.T. Tech Nerd Team potentially was trying for the foundation. Unsure what's happening right now. Hopefully they can park.
Driver,
no.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, looks like there was one robot parked in, one for each alliance parked on the Skystone Bridge and Autonomous, and we have now started the driver control period. Looks like T.N.T. Tech Nerd Team is going to, they have scored their foundation in the build site. They will only collect those points, though, if during endgame they are able to move the foundation back out. All right, looks like Red Alliance was able to score a block on the foundation. Meanwhile, Blue Alliance was able to deliver one. Carbon Unit's trying to collect a block, but is not quite able to. Oh no, looks like not just a wheel, but potentially a whole side of a grabber is on the field from, is that T.N.T. Tech Nerd Team? The Rolling Bots look like they're gonna score. Yes, one for the Alliance. T.N.T. Tech Nerd Team is trying to score out of their own red depot. Looks like they weren't able to quite do it, so they abandoned it and are going for something else. All right, Carbon Unit's going for that big jumble. Looks like they were trying to score some blocks or collect some blocks. Endgame has started. Endgame. All right, Blue Alliance is going to try to move their foundation out of that corner zone. Carbon Units is there. Hopefully they're able to help. All right, looks like Carbon Units is in. Hopefully Bob is able to get in. They have a little attachment there. They're very close. 5 seconds left. 5 seconds. Red Alliance is almost in, but there's a block in the way. I think they've made it. I think they've done it. I think we both alliances parked in the end zone right as the match 23 comes to an end. All right, good job, both alliances.
All right, while we wait for those scores to be finalized for match number 23,